Today, we'll be examining several instances where police officers are challenged by lawyers who have a deeper understanding of the law. First up, we have attorney Grisham, who confronts a group of officers over their treatment of some bikers. Let's dive into the footage and see how the sergeant responds to the lawyer's objections.
Yeah, none of your business. None of your business. I don't answer questions.
I'm gonna go talk to them, and if you're not supposed to.
And if you solicit a trespass, I'll sue your ass. You can't solicit a trespass. But go ahead and try. I understand you don't like free speech and you hate accountability. I got a camera. It's the most deadly weapon to a cop, is the camera. Oh, darn, you can't trespass me. That sucks. It's none of your business if I'm supposed to be here. I can be wherever I want. It's public. Yeah, this is public.
How's it going, man? I'm Sergeant Claire.
I don't care. I'm not going to shake your hand.
No?
You're over here harassing people.
I'm going to give you my card, though.
Okay, I'll take your card.
Yeah. You got a card or anything?
Nope. I'm not going to identify.
Who are you with?
Myself.
Yourself?
Yeah.
Are you a lawyer? Or?
I'm a lawyer.
A lawyer? Okay. Are you the same one that was on the phone the other day, I guess?
Probably.
Yeah. Okay. Fair enough, man.
If you've been harassing my guys, then I'm the lawyer you've been talking to.
It's not harassment, man.
It's harassment. This is harassment.
How's it harassment?
It's harassment because, why? Because he's got a sweater on?
No. Do you know why they got pulled over?
I know why why is the gang unit pulling these guys over? I know exactly why you're doing
They're a
it.
gang unit.
Yeah, they're not a gang.
Those are documented gang members.
That's not a documented gang.
It is a document.
Now, have you not read the case law on this issue?
Which one?
The case law on this issue. You want me to go get it out of my car?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's so you can get my car, don't you? No, you'll see it in court, don't worry, because I'm going to be suing every single one of you. It's in this district, too, so you might want to look at...
Sergeant Claire quickly backs off once she realizes that Grisham is actually a lawyer, choosing not to push forward with any trespassing charges. Up next, we've got Officer Milazzo from Cook County. He found himself in hot water after trying to detain a woman for the suspicious act of taking photos, which later led to her suing him.
You know this is a public building?
Exactly, that's why I'm recording it.
It's also a court facility?
Yep.
Which there is a judicial law or judicial order that says that you cannot tape this building.
Can I see that order?
Yes, come on in. We're going to check your IDs too.
Oh, no, I'm not going in.
Oh yeah, no. We're going to run you too.
No, that's all
We're going
right.
to get your name. We're going to do a report and everything. So come on in.
No.
No, yeah, you're going to come in now.
Am I being detained?
Yes.
For what?
Because right now you are doing something suspicious.
That's not a reason to detain anybody.
Well, it is for Dana. Come on.
It's really not.
Let's go
So
inside
I'm just going to
Ness.
stay here and continue recording.
Okay. You're going to come in and we're going to find out who you are and what you're doing here.
No, you're not.
Okay. All right, who's got cuffs? She does not want to go agreeably. Okay.
I'm being detained for just taking pictures of the building.
Yes, ma'am. You're doing something suspicious, and we need to know who you are and why you're doing it. Okay?
Are you familiar with the First Amendment?
Yes. I am.
Really?
Let's
Put your
go
hands
in.
behind your back.
Come on.
Wow.
I tried to do this nicely.
The same officer was set for a trial later and was absolutely taken to the cleaners by the lawyer.
Do you recognize the young lady seated to my right?
Yes.
And who is she?
Amanda Burquest.
And when did you come to know her?
March of last year.
And how did you come to know her?
We observed her outside. We stopped her and detained her
Why'd you detain her?
for suspicious activity.
What crime did you suspect her of committing?
We suspected her of violating the judicial order, videotaping in and around the building.
And did you say and around the building?
Yes,
Does the judicial order actually say the words and around, or is that your own words?
that was what we were told at the time.
Who told you that?
I don't recall.
Well, it's very important to know, so I need you to really dig deep and try to remember who told you that the policy is to detain people taking pictures outside of the building, please.
It was just the standard policy dating back to after 9/11.
So you received some sort of training, or was it a phone call? How is it that you first learned after 9/11 that you're supposed to detain people taking pictures outside of the building?
That was the policy that we were told back then,
Back when?
after 9/11,
Okay, so you were told this in 2001,
approximately.
and you haven't been told that since?
Not that I can recall.
How is it that you became aware of the policy? Did somebody tell you? Did somebody post it? Was it an email?
Farthest back I remember, it would have been the Chief Deputy Robert Beavers.
Okay. And when would that have been?
After 2001.
Where's Robert Beavers now?
He's dead.
Have you discussed this case with anybody else in preparation for today other than your lawyer?
No.
All right. Have you reviewed anything?
Just my offense incident reports.
You didn't review the actual policy or the judicial order that you referred to?
That same officer later went to trial, and the lawyer absolutely tore him apart in court.
Ms. Berquist, taking pictures outside of the courthouse. Okay, so if I understand what you're saying that unless you know why somebody's videotaping the court, it is automatically suspicious.
Yes.
Okay, so anybody recording the building, unless you know why, is acting suspiciously, right?
Yes.
And you could detain them, right?
Well, we could stop and ask them what they're doing.
And then if they refuse to provide ID, then you can detain them.
Yes.
As the questioning continues, it's clear that Officer Milazzo doesn't have a strong grasp of legal rights, and the lawyer ends up giving him a lesson right there in the room.
Things that you were taught as a future police officer is how to write citations.
Yes.
Right? Citations are important because they document what happened with this particular case.
Yes.
Right? And so you were taught that they must be accurate,
Yes.
complete,
Yes.
and truthful.
Yes.
Right? Those are the three core principles.
Yes.
Because in the future, people would rely on the citation, on the information that you included in the citation, correct?
Correct.
So, and in this case, by the way, you did not have any type of body camera or in-car camera of any sort.
No.
And you did not complete any supplemental reports in this case.
No.
So all the evidence that you have completed and documented in this case rests in this uniform citation.
Officer Milazzo ended up paying a hefty price, a $15,000 settlement. Next up, DUI defense attorney Larry Foreman takes on Officer Shannon Oliver from the Eddyville Police Department, who charged his client with a DUI despite having no video evidence or blood alcohol test results. Let's see how this cross-examination plays out.
The most common indicators that you look for in your training, and you've already alluded to this, you said, and you wrote it in the citation, his speech seemed slurred, right?
Yes.
Have you ever met Mr. Fernandez before the night of the encounter on August 21st, 2020?
No.
Are you familiar with his speaking patterns, the way he speaks?
No.
So you had no frame of reference
No.
as to how he's speaking to you?
No.
Now, some other common indicators that you look for in an individual who you suspect to be under the influence are, for example, bloodshot eyes, right?
Yes.
Did not see Mr. Fernandez having bloodshot eyes in this case, correct?
Not that I recall.
Another indicator is having a flushed face.
Can be.
Mr. Fernandez did not have a flushed face on the night of August 21st, 2020.
As the questioning goes on, the officer struggles to remember key details about the case. But Larry Foreman isn't letting anything slide this time. He goes straight for the jugular.
Based on my judgment and my experience that I've had over the years, that I believe that he was under the influence.
The trial wraps up with Officer Shin finally admitting that he wrongfully accused Mr. Fernandez of a DUI.
Just filming. How you guys doing?
Not much.
What's your name? Since you're approaching me all weird, bro, why'd you approach me all weird? You slammed your brakes. I'm over here just filming, bro.
You know you're on state property?
Yeah, which is public property.
No, it's not public property.
It's public property. It is. I'm not dumb. I know this. I'm filming. I already told you that twice. I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna stop answering questions for no reason. What's your reason for stopping me, for coming up and talking to me? I'm over here doing nothing, not trying to hide. I'm over here filming. And then you want to come up here and slam your brakes, don't want to identify yourself, don't want to nothing when I asked you something, right? But you want to slam your brakes and be all intimidating. What the fuck is that for?
And our badges are on our shirts.
But that's not what I asked. I just asked him what his name was. He wanted to slam his brakes because he wanted to slam his brakes, walk up behind. I already told you. I said I'm just filming.
I said, what's the purpose of it?
There is. It's for a story. Oh, it is. I know for a fact. I already know. I've done this for a living for years, bro. Don't tell me what I can do, man.
Next up, we've got a photographer who was filming on public property near a state prison, only to be confronted and harassed by correctional officers who clearly didn't understand the laws around public photography.
Continue doing my story.
Are you one of them sovereign citizens?
I'm not going to answer dumb questions, bro. What's your name and badge number? Why don't you identify it verbally like you're supposed to? Do you tell the judge that right here? That's what you tell him?
My badge is right here.
Oh, that's what it is. So you're right here, one of those, huh? I know your cousin. He's famous. So we're live, guys, right now, just in case these guys want to violate my rights. I'm over here on state property recording, and he wants to.
The officer really showed his professionalism by calling photography on public property trespassing, all under some pretty questionable rules.